Mini ITX motherboards have revolutionized PC building, enabling powerful, compact systems without sacrificing performance. Unlike in the past, modern Mini ITX cases often accommodate full-length graphics cards, including behemoths like the RTX 4090. When building a Mini ITX system, we must pay attention to case clearances for GPUs and CPU coolers. With good planning, Mini ITX systems can perform as well as full-sized ones while saving space. In today's video, we will show you the 5 Mini ITX PC case for compact PC builds. So, let's get started. With its sleek polished aluminum exterior and solid walnut front panel, the Fractal design Terra is a small form-factor gaming PC box that combines form and function. Despite its small 10.4-liter size, it accommodates powerful GPUs up to 322mm long. Notable features include an adjustable internal layout with a sliding central wall, PCIe 4.0 riser cable, space for two 2.5-inch SSDs, and front I/O with USB-C 20GBPs and USB-A 5 gigabits per second ports. Supporting Mini ITX motherboards and SFX-L power supplies, the case offers tool-less access with removable side panels and a sliding top. Available in graphite, silver, and jade, the Terra's ventilated design promotes natural airflow, while lockable panels ensure safe transportation, making it an ideal choice for modern gamers seeking a stylish, space-saving solution that balances aesthetics and performance. The Tower 100 is a compact Mini ITX chassis designed for users with limited space. Despite its small footprint, it accommodates high-end components like RTX 30 series graphics cards. The case features a vertical design with three 4mm tempered glass panels, offering a panoramic view of internal components. It includes two pre-installed 120mm exhaust fans and supports CPU coolers up to 190mm tall and GPUs up to 330mm long. The chassis boasts excellent dust filtration with removable magnetic filters. Its sophisticated space design maximizes component support and cable management. The Tower 100 provides good airflow, with cold air intake from the base and heat exhaustion through the top. It offers versatile storage options and supports basic water cooling with a 120mm AIO cooler. The top panel houses convenient I/O ports, including USB 3.0 and USB 3.1 Type-C connections. The Masterbox NR200P redefines small form-factor cases by packing a bunch of premium features into a svelte 18-liter frame. This Mini ITX powerhouse offers versatile cooling options with support for up to 7 fans and radiators up to 280mm. It accommodates large graphics cards up to 330mm long and CPU coolers up to 155mm tall. The case comes with both a vented steel panel and a tempered glass panel for flexibility in airflow or aesthetics. A unique feature is the included PCIe riser cable for vertical GPU mounting. The case supports triple-slot GPUs and provides easy, tool-free access with removable panels. It's compatible with SFX and SFX-L power supplies and offers multiple storage options. The NR200P also supports custom water cooling setups. The LIANLI A4H20 is a packed 11-liter Mini ITX case designed in collaboration with Dan Cases. This small form factor chassis offers impressive hardware compatibility in a minimalist package. It supports triple-slot GPUs up to 322mm long and 240 mAh liquid coolers, making it suitable for high-performance builds. The case features a unique sandwich layout with a PCIe riser cable available in Gen 3 or 4 for vertical GPU mounting. It accommodates SFX and SFXL power supplies and includes removable panels for easy access during assembly. The A4H2O boasts excellent ventilation with mesh panels on multiple sides. Front I/O includes USB 3.1 Type-C, USB 3.0 Type-A, and audio ports. The case supports one 2.5-inch SSD and comes in black or silver finishes. The Phanteks Evolve Shift XT is a versatile Mini ITX case with a unique expandable design. In its compact form, it supports powerful hardware including 324mm long triple-slot GPUs and 72mm tall CPU coolers. The case can extend vertically to accommodate additional cooling options, from extra fans to a 240mm radiator. Built with premium materials like anodized aluminum and tempered glass, the Evolve Shift XT features a PCIe 4.0 riser cable and a USB-C Gen 2 front I/O. It offers excellent airflow through ultra-fine mesh panels and vented aluminum sections. The case's expandable nature allows users to customize cooling performance to their needs. It provides easy access for building and cable management. With integrated DRGB lighting and compatibility with various RGB ecosystems, the Evolve Shift XT combines style, performance, and flexibility in a compact package suitable for high-end small form factor builds. That was all about the 5 Mini ITX PC case for compact PC builds. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comment which one are you planning to buy for your build.